Welcome to Quality Care Carpet Cleaners. Here's what our customers have to say about our service.
I have been a client since the start of their business. Their work is impeccable and customer service is top of the line. I highly recommend them to all of my clients and friends.
The owners are friendly and professional. They keep you posted on their arrival time. Recently we had our couch and love seat done. The set never looked better. In fact, my sister thought we bought a new couch.
Honestly, they are hands down the absolute best cleaning service around. On time, polite, professional, and trustworthy. I will definitely be using them again in the years to come.
Our carpet looked brand new. A few spots reappeared and they educated me on the type stain. Then they provided free spot remover and even came back to touch up the spots. Absolutely the best service.
We're ready to serve you too. Call us today.